Hi, folks. I'm meteorologist Tom Kvicka, and look at this tower cam view I've got for you there, courtesy of Sinlaw Broadcasting there on Texas Street. We see a mostly clear sky, but a few high clouds beginning to show up, indicating we have kind of a quick weather change overnight and into Sunday with some rain chance. And you can see some Christmas lights on the water tower there. Weather headlines, we'll talk in detail about Sunday's rain. More rain later next week, though, after a few good days, but we still need the rain. So we do have some chances coming up in your 7-day numbers. Radar are already picking up a little rain in the Gulf of Mexico. There's not much happening there, but it's one of those situations where you can't look over toward Houston, Dallas, and Austin and see a big blob of rain heading this way. Much of that is going to kind of develop in East Texas, develop overhead, and then kind of stream in during the overnight time frame, probably quickly around midnight, and then it heads east and southeastward after that. The surface features and satellite imagery showing clouds to the west of us in Texas. As you see, they are moving this way. Those are lower clouds. So we will, again, see it's kind of a quick change with this particular weather situation. Looking at the futurecast, this is the Barron in-house model. You see a rather quick hitting system coming through with a piece of upper level energy and a surface cold front. Monday looks like a nice day there, as we see at least a partly sunny sky during the day, but it will turn colder. For tonight, your detailed forecast, typically we see 43 degrees for your low on the 26th morning of November. I think we'll average in the mid to upper 40s here. I'll say about 48. I got 48 here for the metro area. Upper 40s in Avoyelles Parish. The farther south you head, the warmer it is. Further north, the cooler it will be. So some of the lowest readings, about 44, 45. I do have 45 in Winfield, 52, 53 on the warm side, and I do have 52 for Opelousas, Washington, and Ville Platte. Typically, we see 66 on the 26th of November, and I have got 60s, low to mid 60s, so pretty close to where we typically are. I have 64 here for the metro area, 60, 61 on the low side, maybe Faraday Vidalia is the lowest I've got on the map there at 62, and then 66, 67, not out of the question. I have 65 in Oakdale. So remember, there's a lot of real estate between the numbers I've got here, so we can see some variation even larger than that. Now, your rainfall pattern, we are seeing, of course, I want to start you out with typically we see about 17/100ths of an inch. That is a number. What does that mean? It means that over long periods of record, the average has been sometimes many days we've had no rain, but then we had record rains like over 3 inches in 1919. All that averaged out to be just under 2/10ths of an inch a day on the 26th of November. Now, the coverage for this particular event, I've got an area of 60% to the north, Manny, Natchitoches, Wynne, Parish, going up in Colfax and Jena. That is where some models, GFS model is one of those, indicating there may not be any rain at all. My particular forecast, I think it's going to be likely, but there's a little bit of a confidence issue because I do respect the GFS model. Now, heading south and east, I don't think we'll see much problem there with anywhere from a 70 to 90% chance of rain. The timing of this will be midnight to 4 p.m. Around midnight, we'll start to see rain develop quickly there around the Toledo Bend country and then develop east and southward during the night. And then probably around 4 o'clock, we'll see the last radar echoes in St. Landry Parish getting out of the way. How much rain will we expect? I think some areas could pick up about an inch. That would certainly be the exception and not the rule. Most folks will see less than an inch in this situation. For your 7-day numbers, then, once we get that front through Sunday, the weather headline for it's back to work and school Monday, it's going to turn colder early middle part of next week. And it will be headlined by a freeze as we move into Tuesday and Wednesday morning with temperatures a light to moderate freeze. Remember, these are averages across Sinlaw that I give, not for one particular area. So a 31 average low for Tuesday morning, that could mean some 28s would be possible in the coldest locations. And it also implies some folks won't freeze. 32 Wednesday, likewise, a 29 possible, but somebody could stay up to 35 as well. Afternoons, it's going to be crisp Monday and Tuesday, most highs in the 50s. We start a little bit of a warming trend on Wednesday. I'm keeping it dry Monday through Wednesday, but coming up unsettled period there for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Headline made by some thunderstorms Friday, which might imply some decent rains out of that situation. Certainly more in the forecast there as far as rainfall totals than we'll get on Sunday. And we'll keep an eye out for severe weather on that. Right now, don't see anything out of that. Not really the pattern. I think the warm sector may come up close to the area. So we'll check that out again and keep analyzing that, as Nick will have your next video tomorrow on it. Now let's check out those fishing times, hunting times really quickly, depending on what you want to do. I think most folks will hunt this time of year. We still got that good grade there, an A for Sunday. You might try that 10:45 p.m. Saturday night to the 12:45 Sunday night, just after midnight there, Sunday morning. So that one's the next period to come up here because we'll get out ahead of this weather system that's coming in. Or you might want to try that minor starting from 4 to 5 p.m. during the evening on Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, well, Monday looks like an average day as the potential drops to a C+. We got one major Tuesday, but a little improvement in the potential there to a B for your Tuesday. Good luck if you're out. And again, stay with Nick Miculus. Tomorrow afternoon, he'll have the next video for you, live stream, and we'll see you next time.